Welcome to Entera Books, Company Settings. Company Settings is where you configure core system preferences for your organization. It includes regional setup such as currency, language, and time zone, along with access to user management and master configurations. These settings define how data is recorded and displayed across the platform. Ensure these are correctly set before proceeding with transactions.
Let us begin with regional settings. Here you define your currency, language, and time zone. These settings control how financial data is displayed and how timestamps are recorded across all modules. Make sure these are correctly configured before starting any transactions. You can reset values using Reset to Default and click Update to save changes. Next, move to Manage Users. This section allows you to control system access. Users are divided into active, disabled, and invited. You can add a new user using the plus user button and assign roles like super admin. You can also disable users to restrict access without deleting their data. Now, go to Master Lists. This section is used to define all standardized data used across transactions. Start with Product Unit and Service Unit to define measurement units. Then configure GST tax rates for taxation. Next, define product type, service type, and party type for classification. Set up warehouses for inventory locations and use category to organize expenses. These lists ensure consistency and reduce manual entry errors across the system. Now, move to quotation settings. Under Preferences, define the quotation prefix and default validity period. Then configure terms and conditions to standardize your quotations. Finally, adjust the quotation template to control how documents are displayed. Next is Sales Order Settings. Set the sales order prefix and validity under Preferences. Then define terms and conditions and payment terms. Use the sales order template to configure document layout. Now, go to Pro Forma Invoice Settings. Define the prefix and validity under Preferences. Then configure terms and conditions and payment terms. Finally, set up the Pro Forma Invoice template. Next, open Delivery Challan Settings. Set the prefix and validity in Preferences. Then configure the Delivery Challan template for document structure. Now, move to Tax Invoice Settings. Set the invoice prefix under Preferences. Then configure terms and conditions, invoice tags, and payment terms. Finally, adjust the tax invoice template. Next is Sales Returned. Set the sales return prefix under Preferences. Then configure the sales return template. Now, go to Credit Note Settings. Set the credit note prefix under Preferences. This controls how credit notes are labeled. Next, open Purchase Order Settings. Set the prefix and validity in Preferences. Then configure terms and conditions and payment terms. Finally, adjust the purchase order template. Now, move to Purchase Bill Settings. Set the prefix and validity in Preferences. Then configure terms and conditions and payment terms. Finally, set up the Purchase Bill template. Next is Purchase Returned. Set the purchase return prefix under Preferences. Then configure the purchase return template. Now, go to Debit Note Settings. Set the debit note prefix under Preferences. This defines how debit notes are labeled. Next, open Expense Settings. Set the expense prefix under Preferences. This standardizes how expense entries are identified. Finally, move to the Recycle Bin. Here you can view deleted records under Parties, Products, and Services. You can restore records if needed or permanently remove them using Empty Bin. This completes the company settings configuration. Make sure all prefixes, templates, and preferences are properly set before starting operations, as these directly impact how your transactions and documents are created across the system. Configure it once and manage everything with confidence.